Hello, welcome, and thanks for joining me. My name is Trevor VanTimmeren, and I'm here today to announce our new cannabis program initiative here at Thomas Scientific. I'm the business development specialist for this program, working under Sean Williams, the director of sales. Together, our job is to support our entire sales team with their cannabis accounts and customers, both national and international. In case you didn't know, Thomas Scientific has been serving the scientific community for over 120 years. Yes, 120. Selling to markets like pharmaceutical, biopharma, clinical, academia, agricultural, and even industrial. We are the third largest and fastest growing lab distribution company in the world. And our goal is to leverage our extensive experience, professional expertise, and the many benefits we provide to support this amazing industry. Regardless of the market segment you operated in, whether it's cultivation, processing, or analytical testing, we have products and solutions to fit your needs. Our aim is to truly be a full turnkey solution for any business from post-harvest on. So for you extractors, product formulators, and testing labs out there, we can fully support your operations starting from lab build-out to everyday product needs. To that end, Sean and I have been working tirelessly at finding quality and integrity-driven manufacturers within the processing space to fill our previous portfolio gaps. We focus primarily on major extraction companies with the intent to have a well-rounded offering, no matter the solvent type preferred for extraction, and regardless of what the end product would be. We partner with a few new suppliers and strengthen ties with some existing ones, which I will talk about next. This is where it's really exciting, guys. This is highlighted our new partnerships and a few existing ones. For any of you guys that have been in the industry for any period of time, especially processors, you've probably heard of Mock Technologies. These guys specialize in fully automated ethanol extraction equipment, and now recently have submitted options for hydrocarbon and solventless terpene extraction equipment as well. Gilson Equipment, their centrifugal partition chromatography equipment can be utilized for THC remediation, cannabinoid isolation and purification, Delta 8 from CBD, cannabinoid acid enrichment and purification, and analytical standard manufacturing, just to name a few. Purge Labs with their hydrocarbon extraction equipment, and Left Hand Technologies with their solventless infusion extraction equipment. For you guys working in the product formulation side, you might have heard of ATG Pharma. They manufacture manual and automatic filling equipment. So for the gummies, the vape carts, the bottles, the capsules, and the lotions, they have you covered. We've also partnered with EcoDis. They manufacture large-scale, highly efficient rotary evaporators, starting from 3 liters all the way up to 200-liter systems. Very large, very efficient. And then lastly, we partner with Simple Solvents to bring you high-quality solvents, your ethanol needs, your denatured ethanol, your pentane, and your heptane at really great cost. And then looking down at our existing partnerships, I'm sure you're familiar with these names. Across International, Cascade Sciences, both have phenomenal names within the industry. Both produce fantastic high-quality items. Looking at pushing out the rotary evaporators, vacuum pumps, chillers and heaters, ovens, distillation equipment, baths, whatever they have, we have it. Very exciting there. Moving on to the analytical testing space. This is really our bread and butter. So instead of seeking new partnerships, we decided to focus on the great suppliers we already worked with in this space, such as Agilent, ResTech, Extend, and Birch Biotech, just to name a few. And this is truly where we shine. This small list of products above should give you a pretty good idea just how well we can support you in this market segment. As I mentioned before, Thomas Scientific brings a lot of benefits to this market space. We offer over 1 million different products. Yes, 1 million. Over 1,500 different suppliers. We also offer aggressive pricing structures, reliable inventory on most products, prime agreements that offer annual rebates based on total spend, so it's cash back in your pocket at the end of the year, and an all-new vendor-managed inventory system. You take a look at this slide, and you notice that you struggle with any one or more of these pain points, our new VMI system might be a great solution for your problem. Thomas also has a very large footprint. We have 7 warehouses in the continental United States, with 2 more hopefully going in this year, 1 in Texas and 1 in Indianapolis. This allows us to get product to you quickly, no matter where in the country you're located. And we're constantly building our warehouse and operations teams in an effort to always get you what you need on time and to meet the continuously growing demand. I really just hope you guys are excited as I am. We don't look at this as just another market segment to sell to. We genuinely want to be your partner, to be a driving force behind destigmatization and helping you push the boundaries of what this plant can do. We really appreciate you joining this live event today. If you'd like to reach out to us, please comment cannabis in the chat below, and we will send you our newly revamped cannabis brochure. And for any questions, inquiries, consultation needs, please don't hesitate to reach out to the email on this page or go to our website and see our recently added cannabis tab. Thanks so much for your time today, and we look forward to growing with you.